Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062553, because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So first of all, pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see the pause option. Hit pause. This process may take some time, and then click on resume update. So just pause and resume the updates, and then you can check. Next step is to start app readiness service. So for this, type in services in Windows search box, and then click on services. Now here you can see app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, then click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to system, and then go to troubleshoot option over here, and then click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update. Click on run. Now once you click on run, it will open this screen, and then just follow the on-screen instruction over here. Now this update troubleshooter right now is not working for me, so maybe it will work for you. You can try this. Sometimes it actually it's not working for me. So but here you can see this is a troubleshooter. Here you can see I can't download, install, or uninstall an update. You have to click on this, and then can we run Windows update automated diagnostic? If you click on yes. Now this process will take some time. Just follow the on-screen instruction and then run the update troubleshooter. But over here I always receive this error that there was a problem running troubleshooter, something like that. So here you can see the Windows update diagnostic failed to run. This happens all the time, so it's not working. I don't know why. So if this does not work, you will get an option. Would you like to talk to an agent? So if you want to talk to Microsoft agent, you can click on yes and then continue the chat. I don't know, I did not do it now, but still not working. In that case, you can restart Windows update and background intelligent transfer service. So type in services in Windows search box, and then click on services. Find Windows update in the list. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, and then if start is highlighted, click on start over here, and then click on OK. With Windows update selected, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, again click on restart. Now you can try to update, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Now click on yes to allow. It will launch Windows 11 installation assistant. If there is update now option or install now option, you update it from here. In my case, it is already up to date. Now still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft update catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Over here, write down the name of the update. The update is KB5062553. So this is the update. So you can just write down the name of the update in the search box over here, and then click on search. For me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. You can check what kind of system you have. You can open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, and then go to about option. Over here you can see 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. So click on download, and then you will see the update over here, KB5062553. Click on it, and then once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Restart your computer. You can even install this update and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy that command till here and then type in notepad in Windows search box and then type in notepad, open notepad, paste all the command, go to file, save as. You can set the location to desktop and name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then for save as type, select all files and then you can click on save. Now you can go to desktop. Here you can see wuauserv.bat file, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services. And if you see this prompt, do you want to continue? You can type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key. So first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans. So the scan process will take some time. So here you can see DISM online cleanup image ScanHealth. There are a couple of scans over here. If you see, these are scans. These are Windows scan. So these scans will take some time. And once the scan is complete, it will run these commands, which will start all the Windows update services. So let this process complete. This process will take some time. And once scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. And then it will close automatically, or let the process complete. And once this is complete, as I told you, it will take some time and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can use this option. So it is in Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option over here and then click on recovery option over here. And over here you can see the option at the top here. You can say fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will again take some time. And once this is done, you can log into the computer and then check. Now, still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can go to the same Microsoft website. This will take you to the same website. And here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And once the download is complete, you can run the exe file. Now, once you run the exe file, you will see the screen. You have to click on accept over here. And then by default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. Set the location to desktop and then click on save. Now, let the process complete. This process will take some time. Download, installation, creating, like it will install. The complete process, it will update something. So that complete process will take some time. And once this is complete, you will see finish option, hit finish. And once you hit finish, here you can see setup is cleaning up before it closes. So do not close manually, let it close automatically. And then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click, and then you will see setup file, make a double click on setup file. And then click on yes to allow and then click on next over here, click on accept. This process will again take some time and then here you can see ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So here you can see, make sure this option is checked over here and then click on install, and the installation will take some time. And once the installation is done, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.